first.
All right, I want everybody to say party favors.
Party favors.
This doesn't happen every time, and this this exceeds any foray I've ever had as far as amount of morels. So, what an incredible amount.
I needed to hear that.
Hello, I'm Chris Matherly with the Morel Mushroom Hunting Club. Just want to give you an update on things that's happened since the pandemic and everything, and give you some new information and plans and website rebooting and all that kind of stuff. Wipe me out. Nobody was traveling, and my backup is doing home improvements, and nobody was doing that, and so we went through some very tough times, and I've been doing home improvements to survive ever since. And so many people has contacted me and said, you are not doing what you are called to do. And that's exactly right. I want to be doing what I'm called to do, and that's sharing my knowledge and teaching and helping people and broadening everybody's horizons on all the wonderful edible mushrooms besides just morels that are out there, and then how to cook them, how to find them, how to preserve them. That's my passion. It's been a very tough transition because while I'm out there working 8 hours and outside doing construction, I'm so tired when I get home, I just don't have it in me to get online and work on the website. And a little bit rusty. It's just really tough right now. In order for me to keep up like I used to, with all the stuff going on, recipe of the month, the mushroom reports and maps, and just all the stuff I was doing, and managing all my Facebook pages and my social media, and producing new videos and things like that, it takes 100 hours a week at least, probably more, to do that. And I'm incurring a monthly cost for the website hosting and certain add-ons I have on WordPress to make things better. And I'm really looking for interns because I have a lot of knowledge, but I'm teaching myself and how to do this, and there's so many things I'm missing out on. I'm looking for some interns, people that know how to do it, that's interested in mushrooms too, such as doing advertising and marketing, and I have so much traffic on my Facebook pages and groups, as well as my YouTube channel, and they're interested in advertising, but I just don't know how to set all that up. I'm struggling. I'm really struggling. There are so many things wrong with the website that I'm trying to get fixed one by one, but I would definitely make it worth somebody's while that's interested in mushrooms as well, and then also that knows how to make money off of social media. If anybody's interested, certainly email me, chrismatherly@aol.com, and we'll talk. I'm planning on getting the forays going again next spring. Anybody that registered right before the pandemic and we didn't have it, just send me an email and we'll get you in on a foray. The memberships has been a disaster because the plug-in that I was using is obsolete now. I had to do another one, and getting all that data transferred back over. So please be patient with me on updating your memberships and stuff like that. And I have some new options by paying by per month. I have a free trial option. I have several different things. I also have a new join and membership options on my YouTube channel with lots of cool perks. So check that out too. There's lots of products I want to add and lots of ideas I have. Again, somebody that's familiar with Shopify and all the different platforms out there in e-commerce, please contact me if you're interested in making some money and contributed to my passion as well. I currently do have all of next spring's morel forays listed on the website, and for now, just call me to get more information and to register. And it's been a long road. I've got a pretty old computer. It was Mac Daddy at the time, but I have like a DVD drive and a CD drive, and neither one of them will even open up now. I finally got a external CD drive, and then I was able to install a new printer that a very nice friend sent me because my printer went by the wayside. I still am maxed out on all my hard drives and still need some help with that. And I've just had so many hurdles to jump over. I'm trying my best. I'm wanting to get back to normal, and that's going to require a lot of work, a lot of fixing and updating on the website and on the using groups, etc., and on YouTube as well. Looking forward to having a great season next spring. I got a lot of plans, and I appreciate any kind of support you can help me to get me through this transition. Feel free to call me if you wish, if you have any questions or ideas or suggestions. 478-217-5200. I have my morel mushroom hunting secrets book in stock, as well as some pretty cool stuff, and some posters, mouse pads, miscellaneous stuff, and I can get them out to you before Christmas if you order right away. Mushroom hunting knife with brush. I have a pretty good supply of mesh bags, standard mesh bags, and the ultimate bag that has a zippered pocket for cell phone, a water bottle. It's everything that you need in foraging, and it'll hold over 20 pounds and has a divided mesh inside, so you can put morels on one side and other stuff on the other. Thank you, and I'll see you in the woods.